This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Using the tool provided, remove the wheel bolt covers where fitted. Using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the bolts half a turn. Locate the jack head under the lower arm, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place axle stands in the correct position. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands, then remove the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Using a trolley jack, slightly raise the trailing arm on the relevant side. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolt. Note that a new bolt will be required for refitting. Unscrew the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and nut. Withdraw the mounting bolt from the trailing arm and remove the shock absorber from under the wheel arch. Note that a new lower mounting bolt and nut will be required for refitting. Install the new rear shock absorber and insert the new upper mounting bolt. Now install the lower mounting bolt. Align the shock absorber and secure it with the nut. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to the specified torque and angle. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque and angle. Lower the trailing arm and remove the trolley jack. Refit the rear wheels and refit the wheel bolts. Lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Jack up the vehicle and remove the axle stands. The vehicle can now be lowered to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Where applicable, refit the wheel bolt covers.